100,000 Filipino workers are losing their jobs in construction due to the corruption scandal. The figure reflects a slowdown in public works activities in the Philippines, leading to canceled projects amid caution due to the flood control mess.
They say the working class is already exhausted in searching for a living with large tax deductions from their low wages only to be stolen by the corrupt in the government. For the Alliance of Concerned Teachers, only 50 pesos was added to their salary, while politicians steal enormous amounts of money. On the other hand, the Alliance of Health Workers say they face the pandemic as the frontliners, but their well-being has been neglected.
Unang-una po, tayo ang pinagnakawan ng buwis. Ang baba ng sahod ng mga manggagawang Pilipino, ang daming walang trabaho, ang taas ng presyo ng mga bilihin.